Now, let's go into greetings. Let's talk with some people. Obviously, one of the first things that you're going to say is hello, and you might already know this. Hola. Hola. Remember that that H is silent, okay? So it's not hola, but hola. Hola. Hello, if you're answering the phone, is going to be diga, or bueno. Now, I say when you're answering the phone, but typically it's going to be you calling the hotel or you trying to get a hold of a merchant or something like that. So you're going to hear that. Now, one little note. Diga is really only said in Spain, whereas bueno is said pretty much everywhere else. Okay? Goodbye, you will say adios. 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 And again, we have that written accent to tell us where to put the emphasis. So not adios, but adios. Adios. Literally, to God. Bye, you can say ciao. Ciao. And that is a stolen word. We took that from the Italians and then we spelled it the Spanish way. So instead of C-I-A-O, we spell it C-H-A-O. But same pronunciation. Ciao.